Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start a chat using email on the Google Chat. So here I've already opened my email on the Gmail apps on my phone. And to start a chat, what you need to do is enable the Google Chat first. So after you open the Gmail, click on the three lines icon at the top left, scroll down and go to settings. Here, select the email address and scroll down. Here on the general section, enable the chat to show the chat tab, and the Gmail will be restarting like this. Now click on the chat tab and you can start by for example, click on the plus icon to start chatting the person that you want. So for example, you can just write the email's name in here, click on the account, click on done. Now just write the message here, click on send, and that's it. You can start chatting now with your friends or colleagues. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Thank you.